How to change voice on Discord mobile. So if you want to change your voice on your Discord mobile, then what you need to do is you don't have an option to change your voice on Discord separately, but what you need to do is open up your Play Store, and then you need to simply install any applications like voice mode applications. So once you've installed the voice mode, you need to simply open up that and create your account or create your profile, and you need to open up your Discord application after that. So once you've installed the voice modes, now you can go for Discord. Simply go for the settings. So you need to go for the user settings, which will be here on the bottom left. So tap on the settings, and under your user settings, here on the left side you will have a bunch of options. So you need to simply go for the option of voice and video. So if you are with the application, then if you tap on user settings, you will get the voice and video option on the first. But if you are on your browser, then you can have the option right here. Tap on voice and video, and once you tap on voice and video, now you need to simply go for the upper side, and here you will have input device and output device, right? So under the input device option, select voice mode. So you have downloaded the voice mode, right? You need to simply go for voice mode. So for now I have not downloaded the application, but if you have downloaded and if you want to change the voice on your Discord mobile, then you need to simply choose the voice mode application instead of this default. And under the output device, you need to select the headset. Once you've saved, that's it. That's how you can change your voice on Discord mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.